All right. Okay. Just go ahead and taxi up to runway 17. Then we'll make sure our final's clear, and then we'll head out. Okay, good. Your final's clear.
Looks good. Okay. So now I
make your call before you cross the line. Yep.
Leesburg traffic, Cessna 5294 Whiskey is taking runway 17 for departure to the west, Leesburg.
Very good.
Leesburg traffic cap 4529, Skylane is 10 miles to the west for landing Leesburg.
Leesburg traffic, Cirrus 826 Mike Sierra, left base runway 17 Leesburg.
Okay, airspeed is alive. Okay, 55.
Rotate. Give the nose down a little bit. Hold that right rudder. Good. Or right rudder. A little bit of nose down trim.
Leesburg traffic, Cirrus 826 Mike Sierra, final runway 17, Leesburg. College Park traffic, good morning. Scavengers 222 is a white Skyhawk, about 6 miles to the northwest, about 1,700 descending for the GPS 15, full stop into College Park.
Okay, clear right.
All right. And now make my call that I'm departing to the west?
That's right.
Okay. Leesburg traffic, Cessna 5294 Whiskey is departing pattern to the west, Leesburg.
All right, go ahead and set cruise power. That's
okay.
Good. I guess that's good. Make sure you trim for 1400.
Traffic helicopter 292 Whiskey departing runway 17
higher than 14, okay?
Departing midfield.
So you're going to get down a little bit more. Actually, try to stay at 13 because we're too close to that Bravo. There it is.
Leesburg traffic,
You got a little bit of power if you need
Mike
to.
Sierra is off the active. Leesburg. Projet.
Very good.